Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix high ping and packet loss in Tron and Liberty. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest to do here is to go to library, go to Tron and Liberty, right click properties, install files, browse. Then copy the path of the Tron and Liberty. Then go and look for virus and threat protection. Here you need to scroll down and look for here it should be virus and threat protection settings. Then scroll down, exclusions, add and remove exclusion, right? And after that we need to wait for a couple of seconds here. Add an exclusion, folder, and then paste the path that we copied, and then just select folder, right? And folder should be added here. Next step, go to Windows Defender Firewall, allow an app or feature to Windows Defender Firewall, change settings, allow another app, browse. Then paste the path, select this, start protected game, open, add. If it's already on the list, you're good to go. Then again, hit browse, go to TL, binaries, Win64, and add TL exe. If you're getting this error, you're good to go. This means TL client is already in the list of exceptions, right? Then the next step, you need to open up CMD or command prompt, make sure to run as admin. And then here, we need to write ipconfig /flush DNS, and another command is winsock reset. After that, restart your computer. Next step, you need to go to settings, then you need to go to network and internet, then scroll down until you see advanced network settings, and then here you need to just click on it and then look for network reset and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again. If you're using Ethernet cable, you're good to go. You don't need to do here nothing. Then you need to just press on network and internet, again go to advanced network settings, then you need to go to your internet connection, expand this option, more adapter options. Then double click on Internet Protocol version 4, select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you need to write 8.8.4.4, apply the changes, and then your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.